Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving you a technique on how to go about installing any APK file that tells you app not installed on your mobile phone or any Android device. So it's easy, but first of all I want you to go and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be giving you amazing videos and techniques on how to go about doing amazing things on your phone or computer. What you need for this APK editor, as you can see, let me give you or show you the APK editor. This is the APK editor, this one here. As you can see, it's here. This is the APK editor. Go to Play Store and try to install this APK editor, which will help you go about doing the technique that I will show you. Or go to Google and type APK editor download. Make sure just look at the icon it has, so you will not download the wrong one. Okay, so let me click on the APK editor. I've clicked on the APK editor. So the next thing you should do is select an APK file. So you see from the what I was showing you there, the app I was trying to install, it says app not installed. So now I'm going to select that same application file. So let's try to see the magic. I'll go and select APK file, and I'll have to trace the app that I want to install. I was trying to install the GTA game, which is this one. This is the GTA game. No, sorry. Click on it. Then what I'll do next is, we see the function we have, the option we have full edit, we have simple edit, we have common edit, we have XML file edit. So what you have to do is click on the common edit. So as you can see, this is the common edit GTA file. This is the common edit. So what you have to do, it's very simple. Just click on this install file location here, click on it here, and click on internal only. That's all you have to do, and click on save. I'll wait as it will do the magic for you. It's very simple. As we keep on waiting, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want to do it. Sorry. Do it now. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you amazing videos you will love. And also, if you have anything or topic you want me to talk about, just drop it on the comments section. Please, you can also share this video, like and comment and share this video. As you can see, the APK editor is working the magic for you. You just have to be a little bit patient. You just have to be a little bit patient. It will take less than few minutes. It will take only a few minutes for it to be done, so you can have your APK file. Make sure you don't obstruct what is going on as you do it. It will take a while. You just need to be patient. Okay, you can see it says succeed, which means it has been succeeded in creating the APK file. So what you need to do next is just click on install here. It will install your file. See, install again. Install the file again. And let me remind you, you don't need to get your phone rooted to do this process, not to be rooted, because there are some people that will tell you that you only need a phone to do this. You don't need to root your phone. You see, now this app has been successfully installed, as you can see. So now you can go about doing whatever you want to do with the app. I will not click open because I don't have the OBB file for this APK. So I want you to please comment and subscribe to my channel. I will be giving you amazing videos in coming weeks. Thank you.